Okay, so in the previous video, we have seen about adding the ceilings. Now, in this video, we are going to see about how to create a roof in our existing model. So first of all, we will go to the floor plan roof level, that is top level. And now we will use roof. The first command is roof by footprint. Roof by footprint command will be used in plan view. Roof by extrusion will be used in elevation or 3D view. As you can see, to create roof by extrusion, open an elevation view or a 3D view or a section view. Roof by face, that one will be used in massing option. And similarly, fascia, soffit, fascia and gutter you will be added into the roof as well. So first of all, we will click on roof by footprint. By default, generic 12-inch roof is there, but we will go to the edit type, duplicate, and we will create a new roof type, that is tapered insulation roof system. Go to the structure, edit. Right now, material, concrete light, concrete lightweight, okay, and thickness 6 inches. Now we want to add two more layers, just like we have added in the floor. Similarly, in the roof, we can also add the layers. So first layer is substrate layer and material rigid insulation 6-inch thickness, rigid insulation thickness is 6 inches. And similarly, clicking on once again first layer, click on insert and finishing layer, and thickness is 1/4 inches and material membrane layer. Okay. Now, very most important, in the substrate layer, in the rigid insulation, make sure variable option should be turned on. Now, what is this variable option that we will see? And now, simple click on OK. Again, click on OK. And now we will use pick wall and pick all the inner face of the wall. Obviously, you can move the mouse and use the tab key in order to select all the wall at a one time. Now, by default, here the slopes are there. But if you don't want to use the slope, select all the lines and make sure define slope turn off and simple click on finish and go to 3D view. As you can see, our roof has been added. Since we have not specified any slope, so that's why it is display roof like this. If I will be do the undo, now right now the slope is there, and if I will be finish, as you can see, my roof is like this. Okay, but we don't want to add any slope at here, so edit footprint, selecting all the lines and make sure define slope turn off and finish. Now we want to use more advanced option in the roof, so I'm selecting the roof. If you cannot select the roof, make sure select element by face option should be turned off, so that if this option is turned on, it will be select the element on which your cursor will be highlighted. So select this. Now when you will be select the roof, here there are shape editing options are there. Notice that you might be thinking that the same thing that we can achieve by using the floor command. Okay, so by using the floor command, you can also create a flat floor or flat slab as well. Then why we need to create a roof? So here is the answer for that. If you will be use the roof command, there are different options are there. in order to edit the roof. So I'm clicking on add point, and here there is a option of add split line. So I'm draw the split line, one here, another here, and one here. So these are the split line that I have been added, and now I can go to the annotate tab, and there is the option of detail line, and I can draw the line. These detail lines are just for referencing for me. Later on I will be remove this detail line, and now what I will do, I will be added the points. So select the roof and click on add point, and click on midpoint of all the detail lines. And now double escape, remove all the detail lines, select the roof. Notice that it has been shown all the properties. Okay, and in that we want to use modify sub element, and click on this and change, let's say, -4 inches. So this is the power of using the roof rather than using the floor or slab. Now go to the 3D view. Notice that each and everything is displayed very nicely, very clean, and your roof is created with slopes as well. So this one is a flat level. These are all at a different level. These are all at different level. So this is how you will be added the roof in your project. Obviously, I will also show you how to add different type of roof like gable roof, heap roof, flat roof, slope roof, gamble roof, like that. So we will also cover these things